Hi everyone, welcome back to this episode of The Daily Grind. I had a very busy fall and I didn't get around to making many videos. I did do one around Christmas time for metallic threads, so if you ever have worked with metallic threads and have had problems, please make sure you check out my Daily Grind video on metallic threads. Right now it's the beginning of the new year in 2023 and I am going to be focusing on handbags. And I want to show you, last summer I received a gift from one of my former customers, and this right here is the Mia bag, and I'll show you the pattern right here. It is by Sallie Tomato. So this is a really cute bag. I love the way it has an adjustable strap, so you could actually wear this bag around your shoulder if you want to shorten the straps, or you could wear it as a crossbody bag. And the fabrics that it came with, my massage therapist, she loved this bag. She thought it was so cute. I'm not a huge fan of these fabrics together. They're fine, and I will use this bag, but there are no pockets in here. And my daughter said to me, Mom, you have to have pockets in everything. She lives in New York City, so if you bump up against somebody, it's really easy just to slide that zipper, reach in, grab something out. So she likes to have double zippers. So what I did is I've had these two fabrics paired together for probably about a year, and it's a gold leather I bought in New York City back in 2012, and then when I was working I picked up a cork looking cotton. So this right here, I'll bring that tassel to the front, this is the bag that I just did. Same bag, the Sallie Tomato Mia, and I added on a little bit of bling, my own hardware here, that's handmade. I do want to get my own personal labels here. And then I did some research on how to make a tassel, and I really like that. Super easy to make a tassel. They just add a little bit of panache and a little upscale look to the bags. This handle right here, I wish I would have done. Now that bag, the first bag was done using vinyl for the straps. These straps, I wish I would have interfaced the cotton. I think it could benefit from a little bit more structure. Not that it's bad, it's not going to affect the use of the bag, but I just like a firmer feel on that. Again, this is matching hardware, adjustable strap, so you could wear this crossbody or you could wear it hanging off your shoulder. I highly recommend this pattern. Since my daughter said, Mom, you have to have pockets, I did add in 2 pockets right here, as well as I drafted my own zipper pocket right here, because gotta have pockets according to my daughter. Now this focus of this year is going to be on a different type of bag. My friend sold me her industrial Techsew 4800 heavy duty beast of a machine, and for my first bag on this machine, because I've done samples, I'm working on this vinyl, this gray vinyl right here. Yesterday I put the flap on. All the top stitching was done on my Techsew. Now the Techsew is going to be for thicker fabrics. If I'm doing the lining, or if I'm doing maybe just attaching the interfacing to the vinyl, I'm probably going to use my regular sewing machine. But in my sewing table right now, I have my Janome 1600P, so that's what I'm using. 1600P is semi-commercial, the Techsew is industrial. So I put on the bag feet on the bottom, and one of the pieces of hardware that I really like are these twist locks right here. Now I have to put the other part of the twist lock on the flap itself, but I'm really excited about this bag, and it's very, I don't know, it just has an upscale feel to it. I worked on the lining yesterday, so this lining is right here. I worked on the zipper pocket, and they have the accents right here for the zipper hanger, and I put in a silver zipper, fully lined in everything. So the pattern is absolutely wonderful. The pattern that I'm using for this is the Emmaline Laney Jane pattern right here. I paid for this pattern, and Emmaline also has a free pattern right here. And gosh, I'll remember to put the name over here or down below because I can't remember what this is called. But this was their free handbag pattern, and I got the hardware. Most of my hardware right now is from Emmaline. Not all, but most of it. And I really loved that pattern. The only thing I would change on this for the Emmaline is the straps right here on this free pattern. Because when you hold this and you put it on your side. I had somebody take a picture of me in the summertime, or maybe it was late fall. This bag, it just adds width to your body. So I don't know if anyone has ever told you, like when I got married, the wedding photographer said, never hold the bouquet at your waist. It makes the bride look wider. Always hold it down so the bulk is more near your, like the crotch line, hip line area. This bag hits me right here in the waist. If you like it here, that's fine. But when I saw it on me, I'm like, oh gosh, I wish my bag was probably about 4 inches lower than what it was. But on this one, I'm working on it and I'm hoping to get this finished by this weekend. And check out that hardware. I mean, I think hardware just really makes a bag. And my friend Robin, who sold me her Techsew 4800, she made this bag that you would not believe it. It looks so professional. And that is my goal for 2023, to make very professional looking bags. And I'm super, super excited about it. If you have not gotten into bag making, there are so many companies that have free bag making patterns. And Emmaline is just one. There are other bag making patterns. As soon as you join one group on Facebook for bags, then you know you're always going to get suggestions in your newsfeed. But just even Google free handbag patterns, and there are so many, from crossbody bags to purses to slings. And I think you're going to be really happy. Just, you know, if you don't have an industrial, you might want to stick with a lighter weight vinyl or the cottons, but you're still going to get a great bag and learn so much. All right, you guys, stay tuned. I'm hoping to finish this bag this weekend, and then I will review that pattern on a Daily Grind episode just to let you know how everything turned out. All right, take care and happy sewing.